Here's something very cool that I just had to demonstrate to show. This is a percussive tool for kids. It's designed for kids, and it even comes with the little drumsticks. It's a percussive tool, but as you can see, it's got wonderful sounds. And the whole point of this is basically to teach timing and a sense of pitch. What's great about this unit, this drum, is you can see it comes with these stickers, different colors, and each color represents an area on the drum. So for example, it even comes with a little songbook here. And this is just too amazing, too cool. So you would take the sticker number 1, which is right here, you'd put a red sticker there. Number 2, which is here, there would be a green sticker that would go over the 2, and so on and so forth. And this enables kids to look at the songbook here and color coordinate the song with the different colors. So they would go green and so forth, and before you know it, not only are they going to learn timing, they're going to learn pitch, and it's going to improve their memory. Eventually, they're not even going to need those stickers. I just think this thing is so cool. And like I said, it does in fact have beautiful sounds. I think a lot of kids are going to want to play with this for hours on end. And especially imagine yourself coming home from work after a long day and your child has learned how to play London Bridge is Falling Down or Row Your Boat. And they play it accurately because they practiced. So just so pleased and amazed by this. A very grand, just a super idea. So glad to see something like this. It even comes also with a children's story. This is called Dylan's Dream Drum. Just check one of these out. I know when my kids were younger, they would have loved something like this because they're both very musically inclined like their dad. So yes, huge thumbs up from this guy. I love this thing.